a great choice today with the 2017 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, navigation system, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, cruise control, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.